Hello and welcome to the eWay-CRM presentation focusing on AI features in the new eWay-CRM 9. When we first started discussing AI at eWay-CRM, security became our top priority. We didn't want to integrate with AI that runs somewhere in the cloud, where we have no control over what happens to your data. We can't imagine sending your communication with clients off for analysis to some unknown place. Our AI runs on our own servers, which are fully under our control and even disconnected from the internet. The technology we use prevents any sharing of data between clients because we don't want client A receiving responses that involve data from client B. Simply put, we're doing everything we can to keep your data safe. And if that's still not enough for you, the AI can be completely disabled in the admin center. Most of the AI features are available in eWay-CRM 9 with selected plans for both eWay-CRM Desktop and eWay-CRM Online. To show you firsthand, I have my classic Outlook for Windows open in front of me with both eWay-CRM Desktop and Online installed. Let's dive into the first exciting new feature, improved email to contact and deal conversion. I'm going to convert this email into a contact using eWay-CRM Desktop. We all know how it works. Right-click and select Convert to Contact. eWay-CRM will create the contact and fill in all available details. But now, the AI also tries to find the sender's signature and get the additional information from it. This means that the contact card could include things like a better company name, job title, phone number, and address, assuming they're in the signature. Everything was recognized. Now, I'll quickly select a second email and do the same thing through eWay-CRM Online. Over here in the toolbar, I'll click Convert to Contact. And there we go. Check it out. It works like a charm. Company, job title, phone number, address. Brilliant. When converting an email into a contact in eWay-CRM, the original email is also saved, which leads us to the second feature, email tone analysis. Since our AI is already analyzing the email to find the sender's signature, we figured we'd also ask if the email feels positive, neutral, or negative. The result is shown with this icon. A smiley face indicates positivity. Neutral is fine too. Here's a red one. Let's take a look. Seems like they're not happy with our offer. Let's assign a task for a colleague to look into it. Can you create a custom solution? Of course, AI can sometimes make mistakes and misinterpret the tone, but you all know the form designer in eWay-CRM Desktop, which lets you add fields to the email card just like I've done here. So I can open the email and manually adjust the tone. Done. I've also added a second field to the email card, which is the email summary. We've all received those long, novel-like emails. Our AI can summarize them into a few sentences, highlighting the key points. You can add this column to your email list as well so you can quickly browse through shortened versions. Much better. All of these features are available in both eWay-CRM Desktop and eWay-CRM Online. Just remember that with eWay-CRM Desktop, you may need to wait a bit for the data to sync with the server. And finally, I've saved one more enhancement for eWay-CRM Online, Task Suggestions. Take a look. When I receive an email and select it, eWay-CRM Online displays data about the subject in the preview panel. It also suggests possible actions I might want to take with the email. Look, we have a website redesign inquiry, and AI has generated this suggestion for the next step. Nice. When I click on this icon, I get even more options. I can click on any of them, and eWay-CRM will automatically create a task for today, link it to the contact, their company, and attach the email. Everything shows up in the hub, where I can open the task and take action, all with just one click. Now that's efficient. This is just the beginning. We have many more ideas in our roadmap, and if you have any suggestions for features where AI could help, don't hesitate to let us know. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. If you'd like to learn more about eWay-CRM, visit our website, check out the support section, or head over to our YouTube channel. You can also reach out to us at support@eway-crm.com. We're here for you. Thank you, and remember, be effective. With eWay-CRM,